स्वामी की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ चला की। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ जाके बंश गिरिवर काटे। रोग दोष जाके निकट न जाके। अंजनी पुत्र महाबल राए। संतन के प्रभु सदा सुहाए। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ चला। जय मीरा रघुनाथ पठाए। लंका जाय सिया सुधिराए। लंका सुपूत समुद्र से पाए। जात पवन सुत पार न लाए। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। लंका जाय असुर संहारे। सिया राम जी के काज सवारे। लक्ष्मण मूर्छ परे सतारे। आयु जीवन प्राण उबारे। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। पति पताल तुर जमकारे। अहिरावण की भुजा उखारे। बाएं भुजा असुर दल मारे। दाहिने भुजा संतन के तारे। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। सुर नर मुनि आरती उतारे। जय 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 हनुमान उतारे। कंचन काल कपूर लोचाए। आरती करत अंजना माए। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ चला की। जो हनुमान जी की आरती गाए। पति वैकुंठ पर परम पद पावे। लंका विध्वंस किए रघुराए। तुलसीदास कीर्ति गाए। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ चला की। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ चला की। बोले पावनपुत्र महावीर स्वामी की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय। सब बैठे। Let's all sit. Focus. Close your eyes everyone. सब आँख बंद कर लीजिए. As we say our prayers today, let's focus our mind on India a little bit. The situation is tremendously terrifying and terrible in India. As we pray today, let us pray to Hanuman ji, to Bhagwan Shri Ram, Shri Krishna to shower special blessings in this land of Bharat. That help should come in some way, and somehow bring about very fast healing, very fast curing. It's the most terrifying situation. So focus our mind on Bhagwan. Let us give out this plea and pray. Varnanam artha sandhana रसानां छन्दसामपि मङ्गलानां च कर्तारं वन्दे वाणि विनायकम्। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पते नमः। ॐ कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। ॐ वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। रामायण सुमिरन। जय सुमिरत सिद्धि हो गणनायक करिवर बदन अनुग्रह सो बुद्धिराशि शुभ गुण सखी मूर्त होई पासा नील सरोरुषा अरुण अरुण भाई जय करो सोम सदा क्षीर सागर कुंदय सामदे सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। बोले श्री राधा रानी की जय। पूजनीय आदरणीय पंडित जी, अन्य पंडित, प्रिय सज्जनों, भक्त समुदाय, महानुभाव, worshipable Pandit ji, other Pandits, dearest devotees of the Supreme Lord, divine souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam and humblest prostrations to all of you. A very special welcome tonight to all the viewers from Bhakti TV who see us live. A special thank you to Pandit Satyananda Ji Maharaj from Aran, West Trinidad, through whose courtesy we are able to bring this wonderful program through Bhakti TV. And through his courtesy, many of the Pandits, etc., are able to bring dharmic teachings of Sanatana Dharma throughout the world. We also, this evening, as I mentioned, we send a special prayer out this wonderful land of Bharat, what we all call India. It's in a very terrible state right now. Very terrifying, terrible state. It's worse than whatever you hear in the news. We want everyone to send a special prayer, pray to the Lord, chant the divine name somehow to bring about some healing, some way to finish or to bring it less to these people. Every country is suffering, but especially India right now. Again, welcome to all to the fortnight of this yagna in commemoration of Hanuman Jayanti. We celebrate Hanuman Jayanti on Monday. In commemoration of Hanumanji, we have in this 7th session yagna, which will conclude on Sunday, May 2nd, with the Purnahuti, as we have been having. It will be concluding our 21st session yagna. We started off with Devi Yagna, Navratri, then 4 nights of Bhagavad Bhakti, and now Hanumanji's Yagna. We'll be looking and glorifying Hanumanji. His great glory is written on the pages of his holy text, Sri Ramacharita-manas, written by the great saint Tulsidas Maharaj. And I've been continuing the Katha. Hanumanji is been sent in search of Mother Sita by Prabhu Sri Ram. He has crossed Lanka after crossing many difficulties. First, he had to go through the test of Surasa. Surasa was sent by the Devatas themselves to test the strength and knowledge of Hanumanji. Could he face the problems that he's going to face in Lanka? Hanumanji, of course, passed the test with flying colors. Then Sangika, the Rakshasi, whom he destroyed. Then he came, when he landed in Lanka itself, gave the one who guards Lanka, Lankini. Again, Hanumanji didn't destroy her, but gave her such a slap that she fell down, bleeding from the mouth. And then she remembered. Hanumanji had to do this, he knows. He's all-knowing. As I told, Hanuman is the extension of Shiva Bhagavan. Brahma had told Lankini, the day Banar will come and give you, strike you with a fist, and you will fall on bleeding. Know the time has come that this entire dynasty of the Rakshas will be destroyed. समझ लो, she recognized and she glorified the satsang. We saw the importance of satsang. That satsang, the holy association of a holy saint, a moment association. Tulsidas took special care in that beautiful doha, Tat Swarga Apavarga, that you take the pleasures of all the seven heavens, all the seven heavens, the seven, Bhu, Bhuva, Swaha, Maha, Jana, Tapa, Satya, all combined. There is a balance, scale. This is how things used to be weighed long ago. On both sides there is two plates. On one side you put the weight, on one side you put the thing you want to weigh. So in the balance you put all the happiness combined of all the heavens. Plus there are five moksha. Salokya, Sarupya, Sarishti, Samipya, Sayuchi. All the happiness of all the five liberal moksha, plus heaven on one side. On the other side of the scale, just one moment, love and image. One moment of association with a true saint. Like Hanuman. Hanuman is a true saint. Mahapurush. That one moment will be greater than all those happiness combined. I told you that side will go up and this will come down. Great. Not equal, great. Hanumanji continued. He went from mansion to mansion, palaces, beautiful golden palaces. And he came to the palace of Ravana. Ravana was sleeping. He didn't wake him up, searching for Sita, but didn't see Sita in there. And then he espied a beautiful little kutia, a hut. Not a mansion, not a palace. Let's make big Sikh. There's a saying, for if you want to be a devotional person, a spiritual person, simple living, high thinking. This is a little saying. If one wants to be a spiritual person, to progress spiritually, then you have to be very simple in your living. Simple living and high thinking. Simple living means you don't look for luxury. What kind of motor car you're going to drive, what kind of house you need to have, what kind of clothes you need to wear, what kind of food you have to eat. The mind gets focused on that. The mind gets focused on that, then there's no time for Bhagwan. We need those things. We need a motor car to drive to go to work, we need a house to live in, we need clothes to cover the body. What is necessary? 2 sari, one is costing $1,000. One is costing $100. Just need to cover the body. Take $100 sari, cover your body. 900, put it in seva. To uplift yourself spiritually. This is simple living. We want to go in great detail. And high thinking, that the mind should be focused on Bhagwan. Maximum. This can only happen when you live as simple as possible. So a true devotee is how their mind is not focused on the world because they have gotten that knowledge that the happiness I'm looking for I'll only find in the Lord. There's no longer a desire. For things in the world. Right, I told you, we sang in the bhajan last night, the Meera bhajan, that your world disappears. Not world disappears doesn't mean you lose everything in the world materially. Don't think you're going to lose your house and lose your family. No. You will have everything. But there's no attachment anymore. Ek man hai, we have only one mind. Ek man, Udho man na bhaye das dis. the gopis are saying to Uddhav, that your friend Kanhaiya has taken our mind, Uddhav. वो चुरा लिया. Uddhav was telling them, forget about Krishna, focus your mind on the formless Brahma. He'd been tricked by Shri Krishna. That in order to get the blessing of the gopis, to get bhakti, Bhagavan Shri Krishna couldn't give it directly to Uddhav. So he sent him to the gopis. Give them knowledge. In other words, give out this pride that you have, that you know. So they said to Uddhav, हमारे एक मन है और आपके मित्र ने उसको चुरा लिया. We have only one mind, and your friend Kanhaiya, he's taken it. Tell him to give us back our mind, and then we will focus on the formless Brahma. Uddhav realized the greatness of the gopis and surrendered to them. He gave up the knowledge, in other words, and he got divine life, praying, bhakti. So we only have one mind. So if our mind is focused on the world and worldly things, people say, I'm a devotee, I love God, I am doing praying. What you praying for the world? Oh Lord, I need more money, I want to win the lotto. Hey Bhagwan, I want a better job. Hey Bhagwan. In other words, I don't want Bhagwan, I want the world. That's not bhakti. We don't even understand what bhakti, because the knowledge is not there as yet. That the happiness I'm looking for, I'll find only in Bhagwan. The day that knowledge comes, and this knowledge Guru gives. Guru who is a saint, the true Guru. When we associate with the true saint, then that knowledge will come. Otherwise, we associate with worldly people, we'll get more attached to the world. As I told you, this is a measure to know if you're doing the right thing, if you're in the right place. If I'm doing devotion, I'm practicing, I'm following someone, and I'm getting more attached to the world, then you're not doing the right place. But if you're following someone, and your love for God is increasing, and you're becoming automatically detached. It happens automatically. One mind. So the more the mind gets attached to Bhagwan, automatically it becomes detached from the world. Automatically. You cannot be attached to the world and attached to Bhagwan at the same time. Impossible. We don't understand. This not understand. We don't even know what bhakti is or anything. But I'm a bhakt. I love God. Yeah, why? Because Hanuman gives me everything I want. Because Shiv Bhagavan gives me everything I want, materially. That's not bhakti. The day you lose everything, you will curse God. You will leave. You will become an atheist. How many people leave and run to other religion? Because if you accept such and such a person, you will become a billionaire. Well, our mind is focused on materialism. That's why we make this mistake. Anyhow, so Hanumanji saw this beautiful mandir, temple. A home is beautiful like a mandir. असली भक्त था तो चारों ओर भगवान का फोटो, भगवान की मूर्ति, संतों के फोटो देखेंगे। और जो संसारी है तो अपना परिवार, अपने गर्लफ्रेंड, अपने बच्चे का फोटो मिलेगा या कोई सीनरी. Not an exact thing, but somehow. If you go to a person who's a true devotee, his house looks like a mandir. Everywhere you will see pictures. In other words, he wants to see God. Every time you look anywhere, he wants to see God everywhere. So in all the walls, everywhere, pictures of God, the saint, of his guru, saints. In other words, on the other side, a person who's a material person, he's going to mandir everything also. When you go to his home, what you're going to find? Picture of his wife, husband, girlfriend, children. See some scenery, some naked person. Huh? I've been to some people whom I can't close my eyes. Close? Because it's so crazy. Oh, that's a great painting. Very valuable. Where the mind is focused. So devotee. So here, what does Hanuman see? There's a painting on that house, on the roof, a painting. What is painting? Dhanushvan. Bhagwan ki Dhanushvan. The painting of Bhagwan's bow and arrow. Bow and arrow. Dhanushvan. And the beauty of it, Tusidasi is saying, that words could not describe, and Shankar Bhagwan is saying to Parvati, words cannot describe how beautiful that bow and arrow. It is drawn, painted on the house, on the roof. और तुलसी के छोटे छोटे तुलसी के पौधे देखकर कपिराज बड़े प्रसन्न हो मन में कहने लगे. And then, what did he see also? He saw little tulsi plants. Devotee keeps tulsi. Spiritual plants. He saw young tulsi plants. And seeing all of this, the king of the Bhagas, among Bhagas, Hanumanji, he became extremely happy. Bade prasanna ho gaya. Extremely happy in his mind. Why did he become happy? लंका में अनेक राक्षस रहते हैं, यहाँ सज्जनों का आना बहुत कठिन है। बसना कैसे हुआ? Hanuman ji is thinking, this is Lanka. And Lanka is just full of Rakshas, demonic souls. How does a devotee of God come here? Is it possible for someone, a spiritual person, to enter? Even enter here is impossible. Forget about difficult. How did this happen? ये बात महावीर विचारने लगे कि कहीं चल ही नहीं। उसी समय विभीषण जाग गया। हनुमान जी is thinking, is this a trickery? Is it some kind of trick? Somehow someone is trying to delusion me here. And while thinking like this, at the same time विभीषण got up. अब देखो भक्त जब उठते, when the devotee of Bhagwan, God, when he gets up, what's the first thing he does? Bring tea, red. Or start quarreling. Some people, the moment they get up, start quarreling and fighting. Somebody tried to wake them up in the morning. Oh, let me sleep alone. Vishnu, उठ के राम नाम स्मरण किया. The moment he got up, he started chanting, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram. Taking the name of the Lord. Radhe Govind, Radhe Govind, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram. Mahavir ji, Sajjan Jan Hriday mein bade prasann. Now Hanuman is thinking, this is a devotee, bhakt. This had to be a bhakt. The first thing comes out in his mouth in the morning, the name of Bhagwan. Hanuman becomes very happy in his heart. इसे मैं निश्चय पहचान करूंगा. I have to make his acquaintance. Certainly I have to make his acquaintance. क्योंकि महात्मा से कार्य की हानि नहीं हो सकता. Because meeting with the true Mahapurush, with the true great meaning here, great devotee in terms of devotion, bhakt. We can be great in the world. A person has a lot of money, a lot of position, but hey, Bhagwan, no morals, nothing. Meeting such a person can be very harmful. And on the other hand, someone has nothing in the world, but has love for Bhagwan. This one is called a Mahatma, Mahapurush. Meeting such a soul, they can never be harmed. Actually, there is prosperity. There's great gain meeting the saintly person, the true saint. ब्राह्मण का रूप धरकर बचन हनुमान सुनते हनुमान विभीषण यहाँ आए, प्रणाम करके कुशलता पूछी कि हे ब्राह्मण, अपना चरित्र समझा कर करो. हनुमान जी disguises himself. Still thinking maybe this is not, I'm in Lanka. I'm in Lanka. If he's a true devotee of Bhagwan and I'm a Brahmin, then he'll give respect. He'll give respect. This is why he's taken that form. Because there's still doubt as to who this person is. This is Lanka after all. So he disguises himself in that form. And seeing him, what does Vibhishan do? Vibhishan immediately runs and does pranam. Brahman ko dekh ke pasand hota. Vibhishan is a Rakshas. But seeing Hanuman in the form of the Brahman, he runs and holds onto his feet and does pranam. And he asks, are you okay? Because he is wondering how a Brahman is in Lanka also. Kushalta puche ki aap theek hai? Are you okay? Everything is okay with you? You are here in this dangerous place. Are you okay? Is everything okay? Please tell me who you are. अपना चरित्र बताइए, क्या आप कोई नारायण के दास हो क्योंकि मेरे हृदय देख के हृदय बड़ी प्रीति होती है? Are you a servant of the Lord? Because if you remember during the yagna, Devi yagna, I was telling you about the Maya, right? The quality of Maya. That's how we like someone. If somebody is a sattvic quality and you're for sattvic quality, friendship is possible. And any change comes, that friendship finishes. People say, my blood didn't take someone. There's nothing about blood. Blood doesn't take anybody. Blood is an inert thing. And this is a science. That's why this is important for us to understand philosophy. Some of us just like entertainment. They want to hear a little story and hear plenty singing. Philosophy, they get bored. I don't want to hear this only philosophy. And then you'll never understand anything. And then you'll make foolish statements, my blood didn't take me. We judge. Just looking at somebody outwardly, my blood didn't take them, so they have to be bad. You bad. If you are very bad and you meet a person who is very bad, you will love that person. Doesn't mean they are good. Because you like them. It's all because of the quality matching. So because Hanuman is a saint, a bhakt, and Vibhishan is a bhakt, Mitrata. Naturally, birds of a feather flock together. Naturally love comes. My heart is feeling this great happiness. This great happiness. अथवा तुम दीन भक्त ऊपर प्रेम करने वाला श्री रामचंद्र. Are you Shri Ram himself? The one who showers his mercy upon the fallen, the humble souls. That you have come here to bless me, to shower your grace upon me. Who are you? अब सुनाइए दोहा. राम कथा लिखना सुन कयो भला तनु कमन मगन सुनि गुण गान सुना परिया जय श्री सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय. पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. तब हनुमान जी रघुनाथ रामचंद्र की कथा और अपना नाम कहा. Then Hanuman ji he narrated the incident of Shri Ram. That Shri Ram, the Lord has come in this world and is performing this divine pastime Leela, and a Rakshas has kidnapped his wife Sita, and I'm searching for her. And he told, my name is Hanuman ji. मैं हनुमान. वचन सुनते ही दोनों का शरीर और मन पुलकित हो गया और रघुनाथ जी के गुणगान सुमिरन कर मग्न हुए. And so the moment he said this, hearing these words from Hanuman, both of them, their heart and their body started overflowing with love. Pulakit means all the pores in the body raised on end, goosebumps, raised on ends. Pulakit ho gaya, and they started glorifying. Remember the Lord and started glorifying. अब हम लोग भी थोड़ा भगवान का गुणगान करेंगे. Let's glorify Bhagwan. This is Hanuman. And Vibhishan at this time is glorifying the Lord. जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। हे दुख बंधन तुम्हें प्रणाम, हे दुख बंधन तुम्हें प्रणाम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। भात भात को हे परमेश्वर, स्नेह तुम्हें दिखलाते, नर नारी के प्रेम की ज्योति, नर नारी के प्रेम की ज्योति, जग में तुम्हें जलाते, ओ नैया के केवलहारी, ओ नैया के केवलहारी, प्रभु मैं तुम्हें बुलाऊं, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। हे दुख बंधन तुम्हें प्रणाम, हे दुख बंधन तुम्हें प्रणाम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। तुम ही दया के साधन प्रभु, तुम ही पाला, तुम ही पालन हारे, तुम ही दया के साधन प्रभु, तुम ही पालन हारे, चैन तुम्हीं से पाया मनवा साध सकारे, जो भी तुम्हारी आश लगाए, जो भी तुम्हारी आस लगाए, बने उसी के काम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। हे दुख बंधन तुम्हें प्रणाम, हे दुख बंधन तुम्हें प्रणाम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। बोले सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। So both of them are glorifying the Supreme Lord Bhagwan Shri Ram. And you hear what happens next? सुनहु पवन सुत रहनी हमारी, जिनी दर्शन में जीव बिचारी, तात तबाहु मोहि जानी अनाथा, हनुमान जी पूछे, भाई आप भक्त है, भगवान का भक्त है और भगवान का गुणगान करते, यहाँ कैसे रहे? Hanuman ji then asks Vibhishan, this is Lanka. Only Rakshas live here. You know, we make excuses for not doing our bhakti. This America is so bad, my family is so bad. All kind of excuses. Look at the condition of Vibhishan. First to begin, he's a Rakshas. The second thing he says, Hanuman is asking, this is Lanka. No one takes God's name here. It's prohibited. How do you live here? और विभीषण ने कहा, भाई ये पवन को सुनो, हम इस प्रकार निर्वाह करते यहाँ जैसे दांतों के बीच में बिचारी जीव. Hanuman says, Vibhishan says, oh Hanuman, Pawan Putra, I live here like the tongue between the teeth. Every now and again the tongue gets caught in the teeth. This is my condition here. Any moment, anything can happen. I'm beaten, I am scolded, I am insulted in the worst way. Because it's forbidden to take God's name, to be a devotee. कभी मुझे दीन अनाथ जानकर रघुनाथ जी कृपा करें. Hanuman, will the Supreme Lord Shri Ram, whom I love so much, whom I'm always thinking about, knowing me to be a fallen orphan, Deen Anath, knowing me to be most fallen, most, and an orphan, would He shower His grace upon me? Hamara tamasi sharir, my body is tamasi. I have the body of a Rakshas. The lowest of the low, Rakshas. I told you what kind of food they were eating last night. Huh? When Hanuman came, what did he see? Bhais, water buffalo, human beings, donkey, goat. This is the kind of body I have. Tamasi. Sadhana rahit. I have no sadhana. I don't know how to worship God. I don't know any puja, any havan, any yajna. और चरण कमल में प्रीति नहीं थी. इसमें संदेह नहीं था. There's no doubt about this. I don't even have love for them. अब देखो, ये भक्त का लक्षण है. It's not that Vibhishan doesn't have love for God, but this is a characteristic of a devotee. He hides his devotion. Anybody who beat in their chest and say, I love God, I'm a devotee, they don't have devotion. A devotee never says, I'm a devotee, a true devotee. Gopaniyam, Gopaniyam, Gopaniyam Prayatnataha. He hides. No one should know. Only Bhagwan knows, that's good, that's important. But if Bhagwan is sitting in the heart, He knows everything. Why you have to show everybody? I go Mandir every day, I light diya every day, I do so much dan, I go to India and I do parikrama, I go on Govardhan mountain. Have you ever been there, Swamiji? Have you been to the Himalayas? Have you been to this, to Lakshman, to Jhula? Hey. Oh, you meet people and they start boasting about where they have been and how much dan they do and how much Bhagavad they have read and hey, Bhagwan. That's not bhakti. The foundation of bhakti is deenata, humility. You have to hide. When you show your devotion, you lose it. It's like opening a tap. All the water flows out. Your bhakti goes. Because pride comes. And one thing Bhagwan doesn't like, he doesn't tolerate, is ego, abhiman. As long as we have ego, abhiman, you cannot even step in the spiritual path. That's why Tinadapi Suni Chena. First thing, one has to become humbler than a blade of grass. This is how a devotee talks. He has full love for Bhagwan. Great love. Bhagwan Shri Ram put a stamp on it when he said to Sugriv, when Vibhishan was kicked out of Lanka by Ravana, and he came to the shelter of Prabhu Shri Ram. Everyone seen Vibhishan said, lock him up, throw him in jail, tie him up. Bhagwan smiled. He said, Sugriv, Nirmal man jan so mohi pava, mohi kapat chal chitra na bhava. Sugriv, listen to me. Kaan khol ke suno, open your ears and listen. Only those who are pure in heart, pure mind, can know me, see me, attain me, and cannot tolerate deception, deceit, fraud. If Vibhishan was in a pure bhakt, a surrendered soul, he could not even come to me. Bhagwan certified it. He put a stamp. But this Vibhishan is saying, look at the kind of, so this is how a devotee talks. He pulls himself down. He doesn't boast and beat his chest and puts others down. And that's what we do. We put everybody down. I'm great. I'm Maha this, Maha that. Nobody knows anything. I know everything. I'll teach everybody. Jai Ho Bhagwan. Ego has to go. If you want to do bhakti, then ego has to go. And here is the teaching. Pantu He Mahavir, मुझे भरोसा, बड़े भरोसा कि नारायण कृपा बिना, भगवान कृपा बिना संत नहीं मिलते. But Hanuman, I have full faith that because Shri Ram showered his grace upon me, Bhagwan showered his grace, I am able to meet a saint, I am able to meet you, Hanuman. Otherwise it's impossible. Last time we spoke about association with a saint. How great it is, even a moment. Here, Vibhishan is saying, without God's grace, Binu Hari Kripa Milahi Nahi Santa. Without grace of God, no one can meet a saint. Hanuman, I will not, if Bhagwan didn't shower his grace, it's an excuse. Here you're looking for Sita, this is Shadu, not the real Sita. Bhagwan wanted to grace me, to shower his grace upon me. He finds ways of showing his bhaktas, grace on his devotees. I have full faith in that, Hanuman. जो रघुनाथ जी ने अनुग्रह किया तो मुझे हर से पुकार कर दर्शन दिया. This is why he said, because the Lord wanted to show his grace. That's why he said it. But it's an excuse that I'll have your darshan, Hanuman. To have a moment, and here he is having the association, full association of Hanumanji, of a saint, of the bhakt. महावीर जी बोले, सुनो विभीषण जी, प्रभु की रीति है कि सदा सेवक पर प्रीति करते हैं. Hanuman is admitted. Hanuman said, listen, Vibhishan ji. This is the nature of the Lord. He loves those who love him. He can't help it. That he finds every way to bless them. This is the nature of Bhagwan. You love Bhagwan, he has to love you. This is the divine law. Shri Krishna says in Gita, Ye yatha ma prapadyante tas tathaiva bhajam yaham. Chapter 4, verse 11, Gita. Shri Krishna says, however someone loves me, with whatever feeling, I love them in the same way, the same feeling, same amount. That's why I say, you pray to God for Muruka, for house, for land, you don't love Bhagwan. You want the Muruka, you want a house, you want a good job, you don't want Bhagwan. You don't want Devi. There should not be any desire. This is what Prahlad said. Yadiramesham ekaman varansam vardarshava kamana vritasannum bhavatastu vrinevaram. 7 Canto 10 chapter 7 verse Bhagavad Mahapuran. Bhagwan insisted on Prahlad. Boon, Varamango, ask me for something. You have to ask. Prahlad said, I don't want anything. No, you have to. Everyone asks, you have to ask. Prahlad said, okay. If you insist on giving me a boon, give me the boon that my desire to ever ask you for anything will be destroyed forever. Let me never ask you for anything. Bhagwan chup ho gaya. Band kiya Bhagwan ki boli. He stopped Bhagwan's talk. This is a bhakti. I want you, Bhagwan. Either you want the world or you want Bhagwan. Make up your mind. Kya chahiye? This sansar, we have got an uncountable time and we keep rotating in 8.4 million forms of life. Akar chari lakh chaurasi yoni brahmat yah jiva avinashi. Bhagwan Shri Ram says to the yeah, the soul who we are is indestructible, eternal, but we keep rotating in 8.4 million forms of life. As long as we keep praying and begging for the world, thinking there's happiness in the world, we'll keep rotating. Until that knowledge doesn't come that the happiness I'm looking for I'll find only in the Lord, because He is happiness. Then I want only Bhagwan, I want only Devi. Then you can do bhakti, otherwise impossible. Keep begging and looking for the world. First to begin, try to understand who you are. For you don't even know that you are the soul Atma. Somebody say little thing, you get angry about the body. You're not a body, bhaiya. He called me black. He called me a donkey. Something is wrong with his eyes. He's seen donkey. Feel sorry for him. It's a body. I'm not a body. What I am, you can't touch. So, he says, yes, this is the way of the Lord. तुम अपने को तामसी कहते हो, मैं क्या कुछ कुली? He says, look, Vibhishan, you're calling your body tamasi, of tamasic nature, rakshasi, demonic. Am I of some nobility? Do I belong to some noble class? I have the body of a monkey, bandar. If somebody get up in the morning and the first thing they say, monkey, the whole day they can't eat food. Gaya khana. Bhojan na humna. And the Lord loves us. Not because of the body. We judge that. We think I'm so beautiful, I'm so handsome. So Krishna had to love me. Really? Krishna never said, I want beautiful body. Bhagwan never said, I want beautiful heart, beautiful mind, pure heart, pure mind. That's all Bhagwan wants. That you don't see from here. You have to go inside here to see it. The worst of the worst, the most ugly, the most shabari. People used to scorn and spit and throw stones and all. Old crazy lady. Belong to the lowest of the Lord. Yet, the Lord yet had Juta because of her love. Pray. This is all Bhagavan, this is what He wants. Ye chahte hai. और कुछ नहीं देखते, न जाति न पांति न कुछ. वो देखते हैं कितने प्यार करते हैं. He looks to see how much that soul loves me. भक्तिवंत अति नीच हु प्राणी मोहि प्राण प्रिय अस मम वाणी. This is Ramayana. It's written here. Bhagwan Shri Ram says to Kagbhusundji, Kagbhusundji, listen. Someone could be the lowest of the low. Ati nicha hu prani. One who eats the flesh of a dog. Kutte ka mas khate. But if he has love for me, he's dearer to me than my life. These Bhagwan's own words. to God Kasumji. Doha.
अधम सखा मोहु पर रघुबीर पुराना मोहु पर रघुबीर की कृपा सुनी गुण मेरे लोचन पुराना हरे लोचन रामचंद्र कर जय शरणम बोले पावन महावीर स्वामी की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। हे सखा, see Hanuman ji is great bhakt, Shiv, descension of Shiv, and he's calling a Rakshas, demon. Sakha, Sakha means friend, because he is Ram Bhakt. When you're a devotee, your family becomes all devotees your family. Those who are close to you, anyone who loves Bhagwan becomes the closest one to you. Hey Sakha, मैं ऐसा नहीं छू, लेकिन मेरे भी ऊपर रघुनाथ जी कृपा की है. He says, I am also very low, monkey, this body, and the Lord has showered His grace upon me. He loves me so much. So don't worry, Vibhishan. Bhagwan doesn't look at what body you have, He looks at what's in your heart. ये भगवान के गुण स्मरण कर दोनों नेत्रों में जल भराया. And so thinking, remembering the Lord and how merciful and how kind and how loving Bhagwan is, both of them, their tears, their eyes became filled with the tears of love for Bhagwan. Just remember the greatness of Bhagwan. Beautiful bhajan. Glorify the Lord, remember, and bow to Him. Bow to His lotus feet. The lotus feet of the Lord. Bow again and again. Bando charan kamal raghunandan. By the grace of the Lord, when you surrender yourself to Bhagwan, you don't have to ask for anything. Kabhi mango mat, don't ask anything. By His grace, you get everything. The true happiness, the true sampati, the true wealth, divine love, divine bliss, everything divine. और भक्त जन भक्त पावत भक्त जन chandan, they'll come a cooling in the heart like chandan. Because all greed, all anger, all jealousy, all hatred is gone. Maya is gone. जिनके कृपा सकल सुख संपत्ति, जिनके कृपा सकल संपत्ति, पावत जन भक्तन पुर चंदन. Lord, together with Mother Sita, always resides in Ayodhya. the one who's the destroyer of all wickedness, all the demons. That's Supreme Lord. Avadhapuri, Avadhapuri, Prabhu Nitya Virajat. O Janak Sutayut Dushtani There are three kinds of suffering. Adhyatmic dukh, Adi bhautik dukh, Adi daivik dukh. Three types of suffering is destroyed. Our janma marana bhai, the fear of death and birth, the greatest fear, death. Nobody wants to die. All this is wiped away. When Dura Tarat Chinmay Janaran, when you chant the name of the Lord, when you become a true bhakt, a true devotee, all this goes away automatically. Tap Arjan Maran Dur Karat Chinmay Devotees, they always bow from the heart to lotus feet of the Prabhu, the Lord, Prabhu, Supreme Lord. Kripa kariye sevak bhaya bhandana. The Lord showers His grace on those who are devoted to Him. Sevak, who does His seva, who serves the Lord, He showers the grace on those that He takes away all the fear. Bhaya bhanjan, all the fear from this world. Bhakt namak karanam Oh kripa kariye sevak bhaya bhandana. Ramachandra रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। यहां हजन स्मरण करने लगे और कहा कि जो जानबूझकर ऐसे स्वामी को विसार कर इधर उधर भटकते फिरते हैं तो वे क्यों न दुखी होंगे। शंकर भगवान से तो पार्वती, हे पार्वती, one who lives such a loving, who knowingly lives such a loving, compassionate Lord, and he keeps looking here and there in the world for happiness and begging for happiness, and when praying to God, asking for the world also. Foolish, stupid. Because knowledge is not there where the happiness is, then how? Then why will not that such a soul be suffering in the world? Because they're not looking in the right place, looking in the wrong place. इसके बाद राम सिया राम जय जय राम। सब कथा विभीषण गाई, जय विधि जनक सीता बोलो
राम जय राम जय जय राम, राम जय राम जय जय राम।
कहा सुन भ्राता, देखा ज्ञान की माता। बोलो
राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
युक्ति विभीषण सकल सुनाई, चले पवन सुत विदाई। बोलो
राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
हरि सोई दूत राय मुनिता, बन अशुक सीता जहवा। बोलो
राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
बोले पावनपुर महावीर स्वामी की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। फिर वो सब कथा विभीषण सुनाई कि जानकी यहाँ ऐसे रहती है जैसे जनक मतलब पिता के घर में पुत्री जहां तहां रहती है। Then something very important. Vibhishan says, "Hey Hanuman, आप चिंता मत करो. Don't be worried." Hanuman is worried. What happened in a place like this to the mother of the universe, माँ सीता, हमारी माँ सीता, तो क्या होगा? क्या हुआ? What is her condition? This Rakshas place. Vibhishan consoles Hanuman and says, Hanuman, don't worry. Janaki, daughter of King Janak, Mother Sita, She's living here just as she's living in the home of her father. In other words, she's well taken care of. No problem. It is made sure that no problem should come to her, nothing should happen to her. Ravan is doing what he's supposed to do, is given his condition, all that, but he's making sure that she has no problem. This is how she was in the home of her father, in the same way she is here. तब महावीर जी बोले कि सुनो भाई, माता जानकी को मैं देखना चाहता हूँ. Then Hanuman ji says, hey bhai, my brother, Vibhishan, now he calls him brother, Sakha, friend, brother. That relation is there. Bhakt ka rishta. When you become a true devotee of Bhagwan, then all devotees become your family. Every relation naturally happens. Naturally happens. As I said before, the saying, birds of a feather flock together. Drunkards like the association of drunkards. People who smoke weed, they like the association of weed smokers or coke. People who are very sensual love the association of sensual people. Because that's all they're thinking about, and that they will get only pleasure when they're company of such people. A devotee will not will want to die to be in such a company. So true devotee will just loves to be where one who loves the Lord also. Because all they talk about is Bhagwan. And they will think and talk about Bhagwan and the pastimes. That's all devotee. No time for gossip and talking this one business and this one thing and that thing and who's bad and who is good and who, hey Bhagwan. ये भक्त नहीं करते. Devotee doesn't do this. सपने हो नहीं दे कहीं परिदोषा. अष्टम जथा लाभ संतोषा. सपने हो नहीं दे कहीं परिदोषा. अब देखो ये बहुत बड़ी सीख है. Very big teaching here. And we don't follow it and we want to get bhakti. Listen carefully. Bhagwan Shri Ram is explaining Navadha Bhakti to Shivari. And he says, Shivari, the 8 type of devotions, you'll be contented. Contented. Don't think this will make me happy and that will make me happy. Whether in gain or loss, whether you have, you don't have, it doesn't matter. You're happy, you're contented. Yes, yes. Whatever the Lord wants. I take everything as the prasad of my Bhagwan. To be contented, whether in gain or loss. And sapane hu nahi dekha hi paradosha. Not even a dream to find faults with others. To look, oh this one is bad and that one, I hate this one and and you're doing bhakti. I have to. People come again and again in Bhagwan. I have, what to do. And no matter how much you try to pound it into them, this makes Guru, this makes Bhagwan so sad when you do these things. All you do, all you can think about. In other words, I am better. That's why. How can you find fault in somebody? Because I am better. Abhiman to Agya. Huh? Ego has come, that I am better. And the devotee thinks I'm the worst. What is Vibhishan saying? What is Hanuman saying? You can be better than Hanuman? Huh? The devotee thinks I am the worst. Then when you think like that, then you can't look at anybody else's fault. I am so bad, why should I look for this one bad and that one? A true devotee, look what he says. Mo samakauna kutil kalakami. Kalakami. He's a devotee. Son saying, he's putting a writing in his bhajan. Hey Shri Krishna, there's no one as wicked, evil, bad as me. And he's saying, in other words, he's truly good. But he's saying, I'm the worst of the worst. And we know good, I'm the best of the best. And we are devotee. Don't ever find faults. Don't look. Once you're on the Maya, my Guru says everyone is bad. Sab bura hai, sab ke sab. No one is better than anyone. Outwardly we act, put on a nice act and we get fooled by that. Oh, that's a better one, that's a better, because we look outwardly, we can't see inside. And we judge externally. And we make big mistakes. Guru tells us so, man. We make Guru unhappy. The one who's going to give us everything, we make him unhappy. Because whatever instruction he's given, we're not following. We're not following. We're not making an effort to follow. But this mind, ye manmani, we do whatever the mind says. अब जब मनमानी करेंगे तो बस तो भोगना पड़ेगा. If we keep listening to the mind and going according to the mind, then we will never attain what we have to. Anyhow, so यहाँ हनुमान महावीर हनुमान जी says, "Hey Vibhishan, my brother, please tell me, I want to see my mother, Mata Janaki." A devotee, "Tvameva mata cha pita, tvameva bandhuscha sakha, tvameva vidya dravinam, tvameva sarvam mama deva deva." You know the prayer, right? Everybody says it. But we lie to God. Jhoot. We lie because nobody has a feeling what they are saying. Tvam ev, tvam tu. Ev, he, tu he. We are saying to God, to Sri Ram, to Sri Krishna, whichever form of Bhagwan you pray to the Devi, "Oh Lord, you alone are my mother. Tu hi meri maa, tu hi mera pita. You alone are my father. You alone are my friend. You alone are my companion. You alone are my wealth. Not the money in the bank. You are my wealth. You alone are my knowledge. You alone are my everything. Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva." When that feeling comes, when truly we can say from the heart, because I'm soul, Atma, then you know bhakti. Otherwise, useless. Nothing. Lying. Because we're forced to begin, we don't even know. I'm the soul. Nobody, no one in the world can create a soul. If I'm the body, then yes, this is my mother and father. Do your duty. I'm not saying don't do your duty. But I'm not the body, I'm the soul. The soul belongs only to Bhagwan. Amritasya vai putraha. Every living being, the Vedas say, every living being is a child of God. Alone is every relation for the soul. So Hanuman says, "My mommy, my mother, I want to see her. Mata Janaki, I want to see my mother. देखना चाहते." तब विभीषण सब युक्ति सुनाई तो महावीर विदा होकर चले. Then Vibhishan told Hanuman how he may succeed in being able to go, because she's in the Ashoka Bagh, the Ashok garden. So how to go there and how to find Sita? Vibhishan knows everything, so Vibhishan tells the whole secret to Hanuman how we can go there. Hanuman ji said, he bowed. Bahut dhanyavad. Thank you very much. This Sakha, mere bhai, my friend, my brother. और वही रूप धारण किया जो पहले जब लंका में प्रवेश किया. The same form he took when he came in Lanka. The very small, like a mosquito, machar. He again took that form. हनुमान जी वहाँ गए अशोका वाटिका में. जानकी वहाँ रहती थी. He went to that garden with the Ashok trees where Sita, Mother Sita was staying. What happens after? We will hear in the next katha. बोले पावन पुत्र महावीर स्वामी की जय. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. उमापति महादेव